left the bellows completely in place. I did not remove them at all. I bought a product that I knew from working around the house, believe it or not. It's a product called liquid tape, liquid electrical tape, black, waterproof seal. It's made by GB, Gardner Bender. It's only a few bucks. You can get this at home repair stores or on Amazon. It's a few dollars. It's thick black, almost like a paint. It's rubbery. It dries overnight, and the way I applied it, let me see if I can show you what it looks like. Let's see.